Is a one-week ski holiday in Bulgaria worth the visit? To me, who has been skiing in the Alps most of the time and has been to a lot of Europe's best ski resorts, I always doubted. However, when I finally gave it a try, it definitely surprised me with the low-cost, high-quality piste and snow, great weather with a lot of sunshine and good food to offer. There are downsides obviously, with comparably small resorts, not many long and challenging runs, and less off-piste and fun park features. In this video, I'd like to talk about the experience I had for a one-week ski holiday in Bulgaria, and the pros and cons with it. First, talk about the cost. You could expect your ski holiday cost 40 to 50% less comparing to a ski holiday in the Alps. Car rental for £10 a day, a lift pass of £25 a day, and a pint of beer for less than £1. It may be a bit harder to find the super luxurious services, but you will never be disappointed with the price tag. For me who comes here just for ski, this is definitely enough. The resorts are a little bit smaller in size, but very easy to access. There are 3 main ski resorts in Bulgaria, plus a few smaller, less developed resorts: Borovets, Bansko, and Pamperov. The first 2 are really close to its capital Sofia, while Pamperov is a bit further away. So we have only visited Borovets and Bansko, which is more than enough for a one-week holiday. It took around 2.5 hours to drive from Sofia airport to Bansko. It is located in the scenic Pirin National Park, 160 kilometers away from Sofia, and is the biggest and most up-to-date ski resort in Bulgaria. Bansko has fast, modern lifts, with 18 pistes covering an area of 75 kilometers. There's a mix of blue and red runs, plus a couple of black runs. Bansko's slopes are located around 2,000 and 2,500 meters above sea level, so it has the longest ski season and the best snow recorded of all Bulgaria's ski resorts. There are mixed of gondola, chairlifts and drag lifts, and a huge beginner area with free magic carpets, which is really great for learning. We like to take the longest chairlifts all the way to the top, and while going through the pine forest, it feels like in the Alps. We stayed in Bansko for 4 days and then moved to Borovets. It took around 1.5 hours to drive from Bansko to Borovets, but we took a culture tour to the Rela monastery on the way. It is an amazingly beautiful temple, and we highly recommend it. It can be a very nice day break during your ski holiday. Borovets is Bulgaria's oldest ski resort. It is set on the edge of the Rela mountain, with pine forested pistes that could easily pass for the Alps. Borovets has 58 kilometers of slopes at between 1,300 and 2,500 meters altitude, which are particularly good for intermediate skier. We skied in Borovets for another 3 days before heading back to Sofia airport. So is the one-week ski holiday worth it in Bulgaria? If you're a first-timer wanting to give skiing or snowboarding a go, or a mixed ability group who wanting to ski together, or if you want to make the most of your money, or just looking to experience a different culture and trying something new, or if you're an intermediate skier and just want to enjoy your time on the snow, then Bulgaria definitely worth the trip. I was pleasantly surprised by the facilities, and you certainly can't beat the value. But if you're an expert skier who's looking for the double diamond black runs or wanting to cover lots of ground during their trips, finding nice and cool park features, and off-piste adventurers, or if you're a luxury lover who's looking for designer shops and Michelin-starred restaurants, then you might be better off sticking to the Alps.